ordinal numbers. Observe and understand the ordinals. Ordinal numbers refer to position. 1 refers to first, 2, second, 3, third, 4, fourth, 5, fifth, 6, sixth, 7, seventh, 8, eighth, 9, ninth, 10, tenth. Read the ordinal number and color the picture at that position in each row. Fourth. 4 is fourth. 7 is seventh. Third mean the ball placed on number 3. 10th means the leaf at number 10.